up there. I don't know if it's gonna go or not. It's wiggling.
Oh, wait. Hold on, I'm gonna try to get down. It's getting ready to go.
He's coming down. He said it's getting ready to go.
Tell him just to go ahead and pull.
Go ahead and pull. Go, Carl. Woo! Oh shit! Poof! Did we clip the house or no?
I don't think so.
Yay! Broke the rope though.
Still right where I said it was gonna.
Uh-huh.
Tell kids to stay back. It's not all the way down.
Guys, get back.
It's not on. It's just...
We like to make our holidays exciting.